Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making one of my favorite dishes, braised green beans with pork belly. Just look at this dish. The beans are tender, juicy, and full of flavor, coated in that savory sauce. It's the kind of dish that makes you instantly want a big bowl of rice. Here are the green beans. They are a bit long, so I'm just snapping them into shorter pieces with my hands. Just bite-sized, nothing fancy. This way they will cook more evenly and soak up more flavor. And here's a piece of pork belly, skin moved. We will just slice it up. For aromatics, we've got scallions, ginger, star anise, and some dried chilies. And of course, a little minced garlic for later. Now let's start cooking. Heat a little oil in the wok. Then add in the pork belly slices. Stir fry until some of that fat renders out. Now add in the green beans. Stir fry until they turn bright green. That's when you know they are waking up. Next, toss in the aromatics. Then add about 1 tablespoon of soybean paste. Stir it around until that deep, rich fragrance come out. Drizzle in 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and just a touch of oyster sauce. Stir everything together until the flavors really come together. Now add some hot water, just enough to come level with the beans. Season with half a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of MSG. Let it cook uncovered for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then cover with a lid and let it simmer on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Time's up, let's check. Look at that, the beans are beautifully soft and tender, just the way we want them. Add in some minced garlic. Give it a quick stir to coat everything, and the sauce has already reduced down. That's it. We are ready to plate. Look at this dish, the aroma of garlic and pork. The beans perfectly tender, just begging to be spooned over a bowl of rice. So comforting, so satisfying. Let me taste one. This is so good. The beans just melt in your mouth, and the flavor is incredible. Honestly, if you ever come home from work and don't know what to cook, make this dish. It's easy, delicious, and it will absolutely hit the spot. Thanks for watching. See you next time.